What's up, everybody? We're back, and it's been a little minute. I've been a little sick, but we're back. I've been posting shorts and stuff like that, but I haven't been posting real videos. But that's over, okay? So this is my baby right here. She don't look like much, but that's all right. She's been sitting for a while because I haven't had no time to mess with her, and with the paint going like this, I need to get it repainted, ain't it? But she's, picked up all the green. We're gonna clean her up. Don't worry about it. Let me give y'all a little backstory on it. So I've had this car for a few years. It was running good and everything. And then one day I went to drive it and she overheated on me. Overheated, and all next thing you know, all I heard was a boom. So I was like, bruh, no way. Stop, get out the car, look behind me. It's a trailer antifreeze following me. So I said, okay. I had just left the house. I turned around, went home, and come to find out, the thermostat was bad, so it blew. I thought it blew a line or something, but nope, it didn't blow a line. It blew this plastic piece right here. Now, I changed the thermostat a while back, but I haven't had the time or felt like doing it. Well, I've had the time, I just haven't felt like doing it. Let me just say that. But that's over, so welcome to Project E36. We're about to get this baby back up and running. So let me show y'all what we're at right now. It's been a storage car, project car. My original plans for this car was to basically just have a clean show car type, daily driver type. So I had got it painted, the paint was clean, then I got somebody to buff it, but the buff job they did was crappy. And then just from the paint sitting, this is what happened to the paint. But look, don't worry about it. Just remember what she looked like at the start. She's not gonna look like this when I finish. Time to bring her back. I'm gonna give y'all a full walk around before I start working on and pulling things apart. Rep life, baby, rep life. But these are 17s by 8.5 in the front with I think this is a 5mm spacer. A 5mm spacer, so they're really 17. It's really 17 by 9 in the front. And these are 17 by 9.5 in the rear with no spacer. And this is still stock height. Fitment, not so bad. I mean, if I can get it dropped and tucked up in there some more, we'll worry about that later. Look, that's all in the plans. But this is everything. See, the trunk, the roof, and the hood is like that. And we got into a little accident right here, but we ain't gonna talk about it. It's just, look, it's only up from here. Oh, look, listen. She's still my baby. I don't care. Once I do this fix on her, I bet you she'll start right up and purr like a kitty cat. But okay, let's get into it. Stuff everywhere, junk car, okay. But I mean, it's still pretty clean. It's got remote start. The seats, the back seats. It's just been sitting, man. Like, it just needs some love. That's all. Once I do this to it, she'll be back. So I got the valve cover gasket. I just put that there. And I got to fix this little piece. But this little piece, it's not anywhere that's just reachable. I have to take the intake manifold off because it's back in the firewall. It blew the line off of it, but I can't reach it because of the 3 hoses, they go different places. So I can't just stick a long screwdriver back there because of the way the intake manifold sits. I'll show y'all here. But we gotta go. It's back up in there. It's like literally right under here. And I cannot reach it. So this cowl has to come off. This has to come off. This intake manifold has to come off. I think I have to take this fuel rail off too, but I'm not trying to if I don't have to. take all that, clean all that up, and then spray the engine bay down. I'm gonna do the the valve cover gasket between today and tomorrow. So I'll do that first and then do that. While I have that off, it should just be easier to just, boom, move that stuff out the way, and then yeah. So that's the next project, but we're not even gonna get into that right now because I'm still mad at that thing. Put all that work into it just for the transmission to go up. Got the whole engine right. Now the transmission needs to get right. But I guess if you want to go fast, well, you figure out your weak points quick, huh? Oh well. It'll be back. We'll talk about it later. All right, I'm gonna start by taking off everything that's a 10. If it fits the gun, I'm taking it off. Oh. This is not a good start. That's not a good start. Oh well, good thing it was just a nut. Here's where I got hands all black, but this is it right here. My little 3-piece right here. I need to take the vacuum and get that and vacuum that out so I can see. But this connection right here. All right, so before I go, I'm gonna vacuum this up real quick. I'm gonna vacuum up the cowl and everything so that way tomorrow when I go to work on it, it's gonna look a little bit better. Whoa. Told you. 200 plus thousand looks like. Down in there, don't worry about that. Let's just drop that down in there. I have to say that's it for today. I gotta clean myself up and it's about to get dark. So we'll pick back up on this tomorrow and I'll take the battery I got on charge and see if it'll start up. We'll see, keep your fingers crossed. Like I said, this car's been sitting for 2 years, but she's my baby though. Look, she ain't nothing gonna be wrong with her, watch. I got faith, just watch. Well, all right, y'all, we'll check back in tomorrow. I'll make sure I have this running bright and early. Well, not bright and early, after work. All right, peace.